Hello everybody, welcome to the stream. Let's start the show again. The markets are about to open in less than 1 minute, so just in time to the kickoff, or for the kickoff. What's happening, everyone? Any, particular trades that you guys are looking for, or, what is happening? I do feel like we could take out these lows here. There's an order block. Actually not that far away. Anyway, we'll see. Market open is very, 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 very close. Let's see. Let's see. 5 more seconds. Hey Nabab, good to see you. Rap Realm, hello. Adam, welcome. All is good. I'm definitely feeling much better. Thank you for asking. Here's the market open. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. Kind of an interesting start here. There was an order block lower, and we don't expect more news, right? We have the 8:30 news down there at 76, and so far that is all, right? That's all we have. Nothing else. What else do we have? Nothing. That is all. Hey, Ludafish, good to see you, man. Where have you been? Where have you been? Let me just lower the volume just a little bit. So, anybody made some trades throughout the early New York session, or any expectations to see some levels here, or maybe some level of liquidity or whatever? Let me know, because so far we're just standing at the same spot right now. No news today, yeah. And there's not much to do with this. Okay. Okay, let's see what's going on. I wonder, by the way, if it wants to go down to those 76s. Actually, let me check it again. There was a level down there at 76.25 maybe, or 76.75. I'm not even sure, or at least not 100% sure about that. It's kind of interesting. Oh yeah, because the mini did take that level out, but the micro didn't. So that's why. That's why there's kind of a hesitation here still at those levels. Interesting. So what is the market waiting for right now? I wonder. To sweep some liquidity, or what's the big deal here? So there's the order block that we outlined earlier at 50. So if there's going to be a retracement, I might go short. Who knows? I might try it. Not sure, but we'll see. We'll see. Best regards from the Rocket Man from North Korea. Oh my god. Because thank you. But no. I feel like it wants to go lower. I feel like it might want to go lower. I have no positions on, by the way, just saying. No positions. A little bit tempted to jump into a short, which I might gonna do here. All right, jumped into a short position. Okay. But I did a mistake. I'm on the old contract still. Oh my god, I put it at the wrong place. Never mind. Still okay. Now, which number is that? That should be... That's on... That's actually on the... Man, I entered on the wrong contract. Never mind. All good. I closed it because my Bulenox just made up its mind. It's just not connecting properly. Okay, I closed my position somewhere around 565. Bad luck, I guess. It should be going down to 51. That was my original TP. That should have been the original TP. Never mind. At least we traded. Okay. Yeah. That's all right. Green, hey, what's up? VPN, good to see you. Hello. I think we should be crashing down to that 50 level. That's what I think. Or at least that 51-ish area. Should be heading down there. That actually starts. Opening up this candle is 51. So yeah. Maybe it's not going. Okay, seemingly wants to get more liquidity. But I see nothing else. Still have a lot of time until the 10 a.m. session. Kind of curious if this one wants to go or not. No, it's going back up there. Could be a bounce, a strong bounce here happening. As it couldn't reach down for that level, actually. So that's quite amazing, by the way. Let's see if the macro kicks in. What are we gonna have? We can still go to the upside above the 600s. So far, it's just hard to tell. Hard to say. I'll have 1 minute and 30 seconds until 45. Depends on when the macro starts. So Yep, still going higher. Let's see the same order block here. There's one more down there, which it didn't go for. That's it. Michael Trader, hello. Long time no see, yeah. All is good. I'm not sure I like the Rocket Man, Philcus. I mean, Elton John is cool. We like him. We like his music, but the other Rocket Man, not so much. How you doing, Michael? What's up nowadays? Tell me something good. Good to see you again. A pleasure as always, you know. Makes sense. Yeah. I mean, hey, Elton John is cool. We like him. He's a cool guy. Doing so far so good. Good to hear that, Michael. I'm glad. I'm glad for you. Oh my God! There's gonna be a possible trade on gold. I think on gold, maybe. Let me check. I'm looking for a long position, to be honest. So based on the super special indicator system that I use, I was probably calling now with my aspirated laptop. Really? Okay. Well, you know, that's how it goes. It's typical, right? That is so typical. Okay, I entered the long position on gold. Not really sure why. I mean, I know why, but I just want to see if it takes out that high again. Only on an evaluation account, by the way. I made money on the fundeds. I'm testing the indicator so far. Maybe I see. Okay. Well, good luck with that situation there, Philcos. Don't blow up your chance. Don't blow up your chances. Absolutely. Zoltan, hey, welcome. Yeah, gold should be going. Actually, let me show you my position on gold. And here's the gold trade I'm in. I'm basically thinking if I should stop at the break of the all-time high. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to You know what? If it goes higher, I'm going to take a partial. All right. All right. And I'm just gonna have a what? Okay. I'm just gonna have this. Come on, connect it. All right. And I'm gonna put this right here. So I'm gonna leave a runner if it wants to go. That's the gold solution for now. MNQ stopped you. I told you that it's gonna go down, revisit that demand zone, which it did, but now I don't know. I mean, this on this bounce here, it could stop you out. Yeah, if you were short. Oh, it happens, man. It happens. Third place, we're in distribution. Could be. NQ is still down there. I'd like to think that gold will make another move higher, but so far that's it. Asia low is the next target. I do feel some FOMO, not gonna lie. I do feel some FOMO. The 26 was so juicy to go for. I was like, man, this one should go for it. Yeah, it's gonna go for it, I think. Careful with the scalps, all right? Careful, it could be a tricky one. I think it went for it, right? Almost. Almost went for it on the mini as well. But now it should be finishing up with the move. 26.75 missed it with a tick. And 26.50, so that's a few more points. And it should be taking out that level. And look at that. It's not going for it. It's just not. Anyway, the gold trade is here. So, how far did the mini go? The The mini did go for it, the micro didn't. That kind of messes things up, right? The micro didn't go for the low yet. I'm trading live cattle futures. What? Cattle futures. How's that possible? Anyway, what's up with gold? Gold is still here. I'm kind of watching this closely. Actually, I'm also curious about NQ, if it wants to take that Asia low or not. I don't know. They're available at prop firms. Wow. That's kind of a cool thing. That's kind of cool, I guess. So, what is going on here? Is this going to take that low, or what's the deal here with this? It took it out. Okay. Now it took it out. Let's check gold. Gold is still here. Really? I mean, I know there that you can actually trade quite a few stuff, but are they, I mean, is there enough volume to actually trade I mean, on the lower time frames? Because you might be able to trade it on, you know, higher time frames, but the spread, you know, spread, slippage, commission. What is happening with the gold chart here? Bulenox has some issues. Okay, this is a Bulenox issue, or rhythmic. It just froze. My chart just froze, just got frozen completely. I'm gonna disconnect, and I'm gonna connect to a European server. Maybe we can get it back somehow. So if you're trading on rhythmic and sometimes your chart is freezing down, you can try European server or something. Yeah, this market environment for new traders is very challenging. I agree, Michael. Very, very challenging. 154 bucks on MNQ. Congratulations. Yeah, I guess everybody was waiting for that sweep. Okay, so now the chart looks better on the European server. Let's hope it stays that way. That's gold. And I'm constantly checking on NQ, but nothing is happening. We're basically at the same spot. Not much is happening. A woman. Yeah. Malo, hey. Waiting for another push down. Let's go, Malo. Although you see the Asia low on both micro and mini has been taken, so you know, but it can still go lower. Obviously there are some places to go, but it was a very slow push to sweep the lows here at Asia, so just be careful there. But I think you have, I mean, obviously it's your decision, but I think it can drop. Obviously the 500 level is a nice round level down there, so why not? I'm still in this gold trade, which is not moving at all. Yeah, don't gamble it away. I mean, it's okay to have some losses, obviously, and you, Malo, you all know that. It's okay to have some losses, but don't gamble it all away. And look at that. It might just drop. Gold still at the same spot. I'm sorry. I still got the flu. No news, nothing, Malo. There's absolutely nothing to drive the market today. Everyone is waiting for tomorrow. Until then, we just stuck with this absolutely nonsense market conditions today. Yeah. Yeah, you can full port. Rap Realm, go for it if you want to. I mean, the 1 minute is just terrible. I see no other targets for myself that I would go for. Well, on the upside here, I mean, it could go for some new all-time high. I wouldn't be surprised on this market that it would just go higher and higher. But my gold trade is not looking that good currently. I was expecting a little bit more from gold, but it's just not moving. NQ basically at the same spot. A little bit like a bearish flag formation here. Funded day trader in the flesh. Hey, how are you, my man? What's happening? I hope you are swimming in profits today. Ba-dum. 350. 350. Got out from gold long. Nice. I'm still nursing this trade, hoping for a miracle, you know. But it's just it's a small one. Otherwise, I don't see anything. Anything at all. Yeah, it's just slowing down, and it's really hard to decide what to do in these conditions. NQ is going nuts as well. It's just, you know, painting this bear flag, but it might seem like it wants to go higher. Who knows? It's just hard. It's absolutely. It's on NQ. It's definitely 50-50, but oh, well, it's gonna be one of those days, I guess. Watching paint dry. I'm thinking about trading lean hog. You know what, Phil? Because this decision, you know what? It's a good idea. Let's just go with that. All right, it's a good idea. Go for it. I mean, why not? Oh man. Well, not much to do on NQ currently. So I know, Philcus, you needed that extra push, you know, in the right direction, and I just gave it to you. So oh man, right? Yeah, this is just one more proof that the market is really bad today. Okay, don't worry. This is one of the many ways we entertain ourselves here. So it's kind of cool if you think about it. Okay. I should smoke a cigarette, man. I'm not smoking, but I'm not a smoker. I can actually prove to you. I mean, actually, I can, because you will say, who knows? But I have a pack of cigarette at my desk here, and I bought this pack of cigarette on I think like 6 months ago, maybe 8. Here it is. A pack of cigarettes. Here. It's only missing like one piece, or maybe 2. It's almost full. And it's been sitting in my desk like, I don't know, like 8 months. You are in more ways like me. Yeah, I mean, look at that. I don't even know. And I think there's 20 or 19 pieces, but it's missing like 1 down there. You guys don't see it, but it's missing 1. It's almost full. And I bought this like 8 months ago. And this is the Palma White. So this is the lightest one. And I smoked 1 single piece so actually this is it, because we were at a party. We were partying, you know. We were partying and we were having some drinks, and I was like, man, let's get a cigar and a cigarette, and that was it. The market is definitely stalling. You had never smoked a single, really? Well, I mean, that's good. That's admirable. If so, the drink that I can enjoy. Yeah, you sure? Yeah, we can have that. I mean, we have those drinks. Don't worry about it. Absolutely, by all means. Okay. The gold tray started to move. Let's go, baby. Go for it. Finally. Ah, okay, okay. Sorry, you're a Muslim? Understand. Okay, understood. Understood. Understood, man. Oh, let's see where this is gonna go. From UK. Oh, nice, nice. Let's go, make that new all-time high again. Let's go for it, gold. And 1 contract sell on lean hug. Man, this market. We should be singing something. Maybe. I don't know. Higher and higher. Higher and higher. Come on. Let us have a small victory. Anybody has, by the way, a topic idea? I have one for today's My Funded Futures stream, but if you guys would like to have a yeah, FOMC tomorrow, right? It's not going to be today, it's going to be tomorrow on Wednesday. Yeah. You got a bit anxious. Okay. So, if you guys want to hear some, or you guys have some topic ideas for the My Funded Futures stream, then just let me know. I'm happy to listen. You gotta go now to a place where kings go learn. Okay. All right. You have my blessings. Oh. Topic question. Okay. Malo waited for that one more push down and boom, it happened. Oh yeah, 20 points. Congratulations, Malo. Yeah, it went down. Wow. Good job, man. And let me know, Tudor. Yeah, that was a nice little dip from NQ. Oh, you took your longs at New York Open too. Yeah, the problem is that it's just slow. I just want to see a 200 times 3. That's all good. That's a finish, Malo. That's a finish for today for you, I guess. Still trying. Still trying. Come on. Let's go. Hey, see you next time, Malu. Yeah, so now what I want to do is I am going to try to put the trade 30.6. 30.6. Let's secure some of this. Actually, you know what? Let's put it to break even. Okay. Why not, you know? Why not? Newsly, if NQ just cannot provide us a normal price action like it, you see this now, then I just have no other options to go with gold. So I usually trade gold when there is no opportunity on NQ. So, but right now this is a free trade. Partial has been taken, so not much to worry about now, I guess. But it is what it is. Gonna wait for an NQ trade maybe. But nothing is happening on NQ. Swept to Asia low. we could assume that this is just going to keep on going higher, but on the downside, well, there are some levels, but not too much. Anyway, let's just keep on waiting to see if NQ will try to show us something here. Because this one is just hovering left and right. Oops, sorry. Okay, my stop is at the right place. All right. Okay, on gold. What a day. Does FundingTicks has a promo right now? I gotta update the promo feed because I haven't updated it since a while. Oh yeah, straight to funded account. All accounts are 20% and you can go to an instant funded account with 20% discount on FundingTicks. Yeah, that's kind of cool. All right. All right, still nothing. Well, this is slow. This is just slow. I was expecting a little bit more. Apex is still 80% off, right? Yeah, Apex is still 80% off. I haven't checked it. Oh man. This is just slow. Yeah, no price action, nothing that we can go with, and that's the problem. So this is just not something that we like to go with. Okay. Let's just wait. Okay. Waiting for 10:30. Well, I wish I could see something at 10:30, but let's just hope so. It's just a few more seconds. We really need to see some movement. I didn't even know how my gold trade is working. Oh, it got taken out at break even. So I'm out. The rest of the position has got taken out at break even, but it was a good trade. It was a good trade. Eventually. So I did like it. But yeah. Here's the 30-minute mark. Let's see this. Looking for SMT. All right. Oh, that's a good strategy as an extra layer of confluence. Low probability. Yeah, it's a low probability trading day. It is. It is definitely a low probability day. You know, if gold is moving like this, I might even be looking for some gold trades for the rest of the day. Maybe. Who knows? I kind of like that level down there. I think we might go there. How far is that? The 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. 2 micros. I think I can do that. I don't get it. I need to reconnect here. Okay. I don't know why. It's just not somehow I don't know, but I just can't put on a trade on gold. I wanted to put on a trade on gold, but it's just not working out. Anyway, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I need to speak with support. Okay, let's see. NQ going lower. Okay, NQ seemingly might want to go lower here, but there's like no sign of other targets. I thought that gold wants to drop now. It's repricing a 5-minute gap here. So We'll see. We'll see. Oh man, this market is just really something. I'm telling you. This is just really something. Okay. This one is not gonna go. Then I'm still gonna go for it. Let's see. You know what? Let's try something. Messages, confirmation and warnings. All right, let's try to execute a trade. Okay, it's not showing up. I entered a short on gold, by the way, but not on the account that I wanted to enter. But anyways. Waiting for the macro. Yeah, let's see. I think I might need to restart my quant tower for safety reasons. Let's see. Gold is there. There's an order block a little bit lower. Here to the left. This zone here. This is what I would target. And this is why I entered the short position on gold. I'd like to see it go down there. And actually, I just missed a trade here. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. All right, all right. Anyway. But it's going down nicely. So the trade actually worked out so far. Following this closely, by the way. This is on a funded account. I really wanted to see this drop down to that 22 level. But I'm going to keep a tight stop on this one. Actually, the stop should be around 32.8. 32. Yeah, it's somewhere up there. So the stop is good. Never mind. The entry should have been at a better place. But what can we do, right? Why is it not doing? All right. Not doing it. All right, I can't trade gold. I just can't. It's just not doing it. Back to break even. Last chance for the market to move in our favor. All right, all right. What's it gonna be? Gold. I want to see what gold is gonna do. I really want to see what gold is gonna do, because on NQ there's just nothing to do on NQ right now. And I really wanted to see that order block being taken out. Oh, there you go. Come on, gold. Please hit the target. Actually, I want to see this one go down to 21. Oh, that's fine. This area is good too. If it just takes this level out, I'm going to lower my stop a little bit here. Just to see how it goes. 30.8. That's good. That's good. 30.6. Hey, Bogo FX, what's up? What's up? Come on, gold. Finally. Finally. I still do think that it should go down into that level. Oh man, this is hard. All right. Would you let it hit your stop if suddenly reverse to take your break even? Yes. Yes. Yeah, I think I would have. I mean, the way that the trade was looking, because my stop loss when I moved it wasn't too far. I mean, where was it? Hold on. It was 32. Yeah, it would have been a small loss, but I need to leave some wiggle room for the trade. So yes, I think I would have left it there. It wasn't a huge trade actually. Let me see how much did I make on that. $255 on a funded account, which is good. But yeah, that's the process. Yeah, I know it's hard. It's hard to grasp with it. All right, everyone. I think I'm gonna cut it here. There's just no other trades I can take or I can go with. I had this gold trade and I had another gold trade. So 2 trades on gold. Both of them are winners. But I'm not gonna push it after 11. So I think this is it. Thank you so far, everything and so much for watching. I'll be at MyFunded TV shortly, and tomorrow as well, London and New York. If you would like to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO for your any kind of account, even for instant funding at TRADEIFY, or any kind of account, FUNDINGTICKS, or TRADEDAY, you know, DayTraders, Take Profit Trader definitely, and MyFundedFutures definitely, and of course Apex and Bulenox has the cheapest upfront cost there as well. Thank you so much, everyone. God bless you all. I'll be at MyFunded TV, and tomorrow London and New York. God bless and cheers.